Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Royal Suite is the last of a dying breed of townhouses, offering a large yard and spacious living. Being the first of 7 units, this townhouse comes with a large corner lot, fitted with its very own fish sanctuary, covered by your own mini vineyard. At 3,000 square feet, this 3 bedroom, 5 bathroom home is more than enough space for the enthusiast. Amenities include amazing hill views, underground water tank, ample parking, 24-hour security, double electronic entrance gates, and a large entertainment area outfitted with a huge pool with a view of Kingston. Guys, let's take a look at this place. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. Asking price for this home is US 650,000 or Jamaican 100 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.